And in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make.
This is the first sentence the book opens to. It is trying to say that the love and meaning you receive in life are only as deep as the love and meaning you choose to give, no matter how short your time is.
Hi, I'm Kevin Bihama, and welcome to my blog. Today, I would like to talk about a book that I just finished reading. This book feels like a quiet name, one that doesn't really shout, but instead whispers to your chest. This book that I'm talking about is actually 3 Days of Happiness by Suguru Miyake. So, what does this book really all about? This book is actually about a guy named Kusunoki. Kusunoki is 20 years old, and he feels like his life is pointless. It is not worth it, he feels worthless, and every day feels like a drag. So he does something unimaginable one day. He sells almost half of his entire lifespan for a little bit sum of money. This feels painful for him because the amount of money he will receive will determine how worth it your life is. But he received little to none, meaning that his life is useless. But he was given a watcher, someone that will watch over him for the last 3 months of his life, a girl named Miyagi. Now, Miyagi will change his life in so many ways in the short term. But for me, this is really where the sad part really begins. He died at the end of the story. There are no plot twists, no revelations, no changes to the song. That is exactly what happened to him, like what the seller told him when he bought all of his lives back. He dies. He will die. That is exactly what happened. But he died full of happiness and also a lot feeling regret. But at least he became happy at the end, even if it's the last string of his life. He met a girl. It made him happy. It gave him purpose in life. He sees the beauty in life again, even if it's in the shortest time that he has left in the world that he's living in. In my opinion, this novel is a confrontation in how we see life. It is a love letter to an ordinary life that we call everyday. That every day should count for us. That every little thing in our daily lives should matter, and we should see the beauty in it. Because feeling lonely and thinking about the words that you felt unsaid or the things that you wish you could have done isn't going to make us any happier. It's going to make us stuck in a cycle that we can never escape, which is called loneliness and sadness. The story of this novel isn't really a tragedy. Well, maybe the ending is. But for me, one character stood out. That is Miyaki. Miyaki is literally the embodiment of meaning in life. He gave him purpose again, and she stayed until he died. The real tragedy in the story is how he valued his life. He surely became happy when everything is too late and how he has no more time to make it worth living again. He spends his last day learning, maybe for the first time, that ordinary days, small joys, and quiet companionship is what makes a life meaningful. The ending shows that the value of life is not something we see early. Sometimes we learn it late. That is the end of my This book really resonated with me and gave me a new perspective in life and how I should value things more. And the story is really meaningful and gives you a lot of reason to live, to make life worth living, and it leaves a really long, strong impression to you. Bye.